What's up, my ninjas? This is the Internet Income Ninja. Thank you so much for stopping by. Um, I myself am feeling a lot better, but still waiting a couple of days to get the go ahead to head back out. Um, and so I wanted to take some time to just bring this lead to you so that you can actually transition, if you want to an online way of making money. Now, there are many ways to make money online. There's starting businesses, um, there's setting up stores, there's working for companies online. There are so many different ways, starting blogs, affiliate marketing. And if you are interested in learning more about those avenues, you can actually check the links in the description below. Okay, so links in description. All right, so click those links to learn more. And it doesn't cost you anything, it's free to read what's available. So just click the link, stuff will pop up. Some may ask you to enter your information just so that if you're not interested right now, then at a later time they can reach out to you just to remind you. Okay? Um, and the videos are free, the knowledge is free. Just click the link and start learning. Okay? Now, this video, I'm going to go through it very quickly. It's a tutor position at a company called study.com, and you will be teaching accounting online. It's an entry-level position, right? It's international, meaning you can work from several countries around the world, and it is freelance, so it is not a permanent position. Okay? Now, if you want to learn more about study.com, when you find this link in the description below, you press that button and it opens up the company's website. Okay, this is just the website that shows the lead, but if you want to learn more about the company itself, you can actually click that link that's circled in magenta. It takes you to the company's webpage, and you can read more about their company structure, how they operate, just general stuff like that that may be helpful to you in the interview. All right. Okay. Now, time for the lead. Now, you will be contracted to work, and you can actually do this from multiple countries around the world. Okay. So, want to get paid to teach students, to teach subjects you love from the comfort of your own home? Want the potential to earn 40K plus per year? Need flexibility to choose your own hours, as few or as many as you want? And I'll stick up in here. They said that they're hiring an accounting tutor, but you never know that, they're possibly looking for somebody for math, somebody for English, for chemistry help, for physics help. So even if you are not in accounting, but you have other subject skills that you can use or monetize, go ahead and apply still. All right. Now, it's 100% online, and at study.com, they're dedicated to making education easily accessible to students everywhere. Our contract accounting tutors use an online chat portal to communicate with students in real time and respond to accounting related academic and homework questions. Right? Tutors can select their own schedule and work from anywhere, entirely online, and unlike other online tutoring jobs, we pay you for your time, not the number of sessions you tutor. So if you're working 1 hour and it's $10 per hour, you get your $10 per hour. Okay? Not $2 per session. And you have to do 5 sessions to get $10. And maybe a session takes a half hour. Okay? So you'd get $2 for half hour. 1 hour would be $4. 2 hours would be $8, and so on. So you do, okay. So they pay you for your time, not necessarily the number of sessions that you teach or tutor. So let's jump into the meat of the matter. You'll sign up for a tutoring time slot that fits your schedule and be available during that time to instantly respond to student questions in basic and advanced accounting subjects via online chat sessions. You may need to screen share to walk students through a problem, assess a student's comprehension level, and identify any difficulties the student has in following the calculations and solutions. Now, you need to have expert knowledge of accounting and related subjects. You need to be able to clearly explain accounting concepts at a college level. You should have experience tutoring high school and/or college students, and you should be able to commit to scheduled tutoring sessions. You choose the window of your availability. But once you choose that window, you need to commit to that window, right? Now, our tutors are passionate about helping students succeed in their academic journey. Each tutor delivers information clearly, accurately, and in a friendly and helpful manner. If this sounds like you, apply today. Now, in order to apply and actually get the job, you need to have these preferred skills. Experience with online tutoring, right? Now you're thinking to yourself, I just started out. It says entry level. I'm just starting out. What kind of experience would I have if I'm just starting out with online tutoring? Well, apply still. You can word things in your interview that will suggest that you are capable of handling online tutoring, right? Maybe you can even say something like one time you had to help a friend over the phone, you know, like you were on FaceTime or you were on WhatsApp video or you were on Skype helping a friend in the wee hours of the morning understand certain accounting concepts. You see what I'm saying? Even if there wasn't any video, you had the conversation over the phone and you were able to help your friend or your neighbor understand certain concepts that they otherwise wouldn't have had via the telephone. You can have that experience, worked in as an online type of platform. Okay? Another skill that they prefer that you have, working knowledge of whiteboard technology and/or screen sharing. So there are times you need to get your little stylus out and you need to be able to scribble stuff on their chat whiteboard platform to help whoever you're teaching see and understand concepts that you're putting down. All right. Now, what study.com offers? Reliable payments. Now, these payments come in a timely, reliable manner twice a month via PayPal. If you're in a region that does not use PayPal, I'm pretty sure PayPal has almost hit major countries. By major countries, I'm talking the Caribbean, I'm talking Europe, Asia, many parts of Africa. I do think PayPal has not hit all of Africa just yet. But I think it's so widespread that if you're watching this, you're probably in an area that you have access to PayPal in. Okay? Now, all tutoring work is paid on an hourly rate. Next, they offer you independence. You get to choose tutoring time slots based on your schedule. The biggest one is flexibility. You work from anywhere, completely online. You have access to a very supportive staff. You will have access to their in-house team to answer your questions. Because, you will have questions as time goes. Nobody knows everything. And when you're starting out, you'll want to lean on someone for help. Now, the contract process. You complete the application and submit with your resume. Then the applications are approved and contracts sent on Wednesdays. So expect replies every Wednesday. You then submit the contract within the 5-day signing window and agree to a background check. So once you've been accepted, then you can you will, or you should, if you agree with their terms and conditions, sign within 5 days and return the contract to the company for them to complete a background check. Once the background check clears, you'll be sent login information, onboarding instructions, and orientation materials to get started. Now, who we are. The mission of study.com is to make education accessible, and over the last 2 decades, so for the last 20 years, so they've been around for 20 years. So over the last 20 years, see what I did there? That was some whiteboard action for you. Okay, so over the last 20 years, we've become the leading online education platform, delivering a personalized learning experience across a broad continuum of education for over 30 million students, instructors, and professionals every month. 30 million students. That means you will never be short of work. That means you have money that can be made. Okay? We help empower millions of learners to achieve their education and career goals. We focus on increasing access to education because we know information is the ultimate equalizer and that education is key to upward mobility. Come work for the company that has ranked 10th on Virtual Vocation's top 25 list of best partners for remote work in 2021, and no doubt they will continue that standard into 2022. So guys, if you're interested in this lead, if you're interested in working for study.com, go ahead, press this button, press it, right? Apply. Once you apply, submit your resume, cover letter, and all that stuff. They say once you've been approved, you can expect a contract to come up in your email on Wednesdays. Sign that contract, submit it, and then you'll be subject to a background check. All right. After that, they will get you situated, send you login information, information on orientation, information on just getting started, what to do, how to get things done, setting up payment gateways, and so on. Again, they use PayPal. And then from those instructions, you can get yourself started. So guys, thanks for watching. If you're interested in becoming a tutor for accounting at study.com, click the link in the description below where it says about the lead. Follow the link. You'll be taken to this page and follow the instructions. And again, if you're interested in affiliate marketing, if you're interested in books to help you make money online, if you're interested in building your business, this is the channel to do so. The links are in the description to help you do so, and subscribe so that you can always be in the know, always have access to resources to help you build a profitable online business. This is the Internet Income Ninja. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.